Oh, we're on. Woo, first cast, man. Jeez. Okay, guys, let's start off with 1 Peter 4, verse 8 through 10. Above all, love each other deeply because love covers over a multitude of sins. Offer hospitality to one another without grumbling. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. You guys, any luck? Kind of slow down. Hey, you mind if I throw a couple here on the left?
Yeah, no, go for it.
Yeah, cool. Thanks, man. Because that way I don't want to tangle your line. It's all going to drift to the left anyway. Oh, hold on a sec. My bad. Shit, I already got caught. Oh, man. Ooh, jeez. Yeah. Hold on. Holy smokes. So, I'm so sorry, man. Jeez.
What's your name?
Ted.
Ted?
Yeah.
Yeah, I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, I don't even know that. Oh, man, I totally messed up your line, brother.
That's all right.
Oh, my gosh. I can't believe I did that.
Videos, man.
Say what?
You have some good videos.
Except this one right here. Man, I'm so sorry, dude. Hey, hold this one. Let me see if I can get it out. Where is
I
it?
like your videos, man.
Thank you.
They're cool. You go all over the place.
Oh, so I think I'm off.
Yeah.
Are we off?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, when I saw you walk up, I thought, oh, man.
Oh, man. What's your name?
Martin.
Martin. Say what's up, Martin.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, brother, what's up?
Martin
Nice to
from
meet
where?
Laguna Niguel.
Laguna Niguel, bro.
Yeah.
You living the life. I like that Laguna Niguel.
Yeah,
Hey.
he just died.
Let me bless you, bro.
Oh, hey, thanks, man.
Right?
Yeah, brother. Hey, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You send them that, and then they'll come up with something like, oh, I'm on, bro. Hey. I'm in Crocs, and I only brought one lure and no tackle. You believe it, right? And the only lure I brought, I'm in Crocs too, bro. The only lure I brought was the PE. Look at this, and he's pulling drag into Crocs, brother. Oh shit, did I lose him? No. Hey. Yeah, he's good. He's just pulling drag. I don't want to rip his lips. I want to just tire him out a little bit. But yeah, man. And I was like telling my wife, I haven't made a Twin Lakes video in a while. Well, it's been a couple of years. But oh, you stay at the RV park? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna hang out for a while. Oh, they're decent, like 2-pounders, huh? Yeah, I'm sure there's a few. This one's not bad. Guys, we are on the fish, man. I'm so happy I stopped over here. I was like, man, I spent like an hour getting ready and then an hour and a half on the water. Not even a bump. But man, this guy smashed it. This guy smashed it. Oh, come on, buddy. Washing our feet today. Okay. Come on. Oh, he's off. It's a Pineapple Express Super Minnow. And we got this guy. Okay, boo boo. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. He hit it on the drop. I was like looking at my bail. Goodness, that scared me. Oh, jeez. Number 2, guys. Nice stalker, man. Got him right on the bottom of the lip. If I can get him off this. And here we go. Look at this guy. Choo! See you later, boo-boo. Again, on again. Holy smokes. Yes, sir. Woo! On the Pineapple Express. Pineapple Express is back at it. Hey, by the time you guys see this video, man, we're fully stocked. It's right now. It's in the air. It's coming in. Yeah, it's coming in. My wife's. They're coming to meet me in a couple of weeks, but she's gonna restock, update the website, and then come. But yeah, guys. Hey. By the time you guys see this video, the Pineapple Express is in stock, man, and you guys should be able to get them. But this is the Super Minnow, and I don't know if I believe the barb is sold out. We have some barbless left, but man, do visit the store. Look at this guy, man. These little 2-pounders fight. Jeez. Oh, these are nice fish. Here we go. And here you go. See you later, buddy. But man, I've met so many good people though, bro. Hey, you know what I mean? It's like that out. You know, the good people I've met completely outweighs like that, and I'm so thankful. Even for those other guys, I'm thankful because I'm like, if you guys never did that, I wouldn't be where I'm at. You know what I mean? I'm like, gosh, thank you so much. I'm like, finally I got one. Jeez. Oh, there you go. Yeah. There you go. He's on, man. Look at him. Spoon's working.
So it was just a garage deal.
Are you good? That looks like a good one. You need a net?
Yeah, I have mine.
Okay. That looks like a good one. Oh, there you go, man. He caught the 4-pounder on video. Oh, he's a nice one, man. Yeah, you gotta play him out. Yes, sir. Yeah, hold that guy up. Oh, he let go right here. We would have been doubled up. Jeez. That's a nice one. There you go. Look at this guy. There he goes. And then the whole federation of stocking, there's like this whole non-profit. Yeah. Oh, we're on, dude. The whole non-profit.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Like the non-profit putting in the money. See, I'll put in some money. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'll donate. You can keep fishing like this. Jeez, who do I write the check to? I'm being seriously. Oh, there you go, release. Unless I heard Convict was on fire, but I heard Convict was.
Oh, the big one just ate it.
Oh, just now?
Yeah, you see that one?
He just took it while you were reeling it in from another fish.
Yeah.
He had a hook set that didn't set, and then he was reeling it in, and then the big one took it.
Yeah, did you see him come over here and snap it?
No, they're sitting under these rocks.
Yeah, he has them.
Hey, play him right, bro. Play him right. I got you. Play him right. Oh, I got that on video. He's a big one, dude. I told you that spoon's a hitter.
There you go.
Oh man. Sometimes the video isn't about me.
It's about
the community.
Exactly.
There you go, man. Oh, nice fish. Yeah, play him out right. Play him out correctly. I love fish. I love netting homies fish, man. Love it, dude. Love it. Oh, man, he's pulling. I hear your drag. I hear your drag. Oh, nice one, brother. Let's keep him in the water. Look at that. Nice one, dude. De-hook him, brother. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Laguna Niguel just slaying it out here, dude. Look at that hook set, man. Show that color. Hey, the Super Minnow. The Super Minnow at work.
Super Minnow work.
Hey, just don't leave him in the water.
Yep.
Leave him in the water. Like, so it's buoyant.
Yeah.
So he's like, the weight is off of the spoon. And then he just de-hook him right there.
Yeah,
and then you can handle him. Want me to do it for you?
Yeah, you got it. Nice one.
That way you're not gonna bend out the hook.
Yeah, that's fine.
Jeez, he's in there.
Solid.
Might have to bend that a little bit. But hey, picture time. Yeah, he's like nice and healthy still. Look at that. Never came out of the water. Like, hey. Put your rod down. Photo time.
Yeah. Look at that guy, man.
Beautiful. Woo! Let's go, buddy.
Let's go, baby.
On the release. There you go. Look at that guy go. Back in the water. Hey! Hey! Woo! Let's go! Yes, sir.
Wow.
Dang, dude. Because I'll put them in a compilation, like the folks catching on the spoons.
Oh yeah, man. Promote that lure.
What?
Promote that thing.
I do, man. I do show people that lure kills it. Like, that lure kills it. Yeah, at Lower Twins, man, I'm like every cast on that lure. Yeah, on Lower, in Mammoth. Oh, dude, I got a good one. Oh, dude, I got a good one. I got a good one, dude. Let's go. Pleasant Hill in the house. I'm like, SDO in the house. Where are you from? Pleasant Hill in the house. Oh man, good times, dude. It's like you just get a natural buzz from doing all this, right? I'm telling you, dude. This is the drug of choice. He's coming around, gonna jump again. Come back, buddy. Oh, he's coming your way. Oh, come on, don't tangle up his line. Get over here, what are you doing? Oh, turn, oh, come here. Get out of there, buddy. Come on. Oh, this guy's good fish, man. Solid fish. We're gonna let this guy go. Solid fish, man. Look at that solid hook set in the corner. See ya. The what? It's, oh yeah, it's that's. You on another one? Hey,
He's gonna want his lure back there.
it's the Laguna Niguel show.
He's gonna want it back.
Hey, what happened to the SDO Super Duper show? It's the Laguna Niguel show. Let's go. You could have it. I don't want it back. I'll just cast where you're casting. How about that? Look at this guy, man. I love it, bro. I love it. Good. Oh, I love it, man. Good times. Dude, you caught like 5 more. He's been here just nailing them. Last cast.
I know this when he's with us.
Last cast. That's like at least an hour. Look at this guy. I'm telling you, man. We're gonna rename the show. I'm telling you. I think that he knows how to use the spoons.
I think he knew how to use it. These spoons
I think you're sponsored by that one spoon right there.
Yeah, that's all I need. Give me 1 spoon, I'm good.
Oh my goodness, my friend.
Pissing everyone's stuff off right now.
Is that bad?
You don't want to try? You don't want to try? Are you sure? With a spoon? Oh. Keeping everyone busy. Hey. Keeping me fishing, you know what I mean? It's I was semi-retired and this brought me out of retirement. Man, they're good. Oh, there we go. Catch and release. Ripping lips. Okay, man, guys. Wow, what a little hook fest we had here, man. Met the subscriber. Yeah, he was hella cool, man. Glad he got on a bunch of fish on the spoon I gave him. He got more than me, man. That's awesome. Let's go try another spot. Let's see what's up. Oh, we're on. Woo, first cast, man. Jeez. I got one here. Oh man, where's she taking me? On the red, guys. 3 grammer. On the red, man. The Rave is going on. Woo! Rave fishing. Rave fishing. Let's go. Oh, this guy's a good one. Oh, he's killing drag. No net. Dude, are they just coming up from the sunset or what? Can you guys hear that rave? Just bumping the rave music, dude. Another nice one, dude. Look how nice this guy is. Look at this. Woo! See ya later. Woo! It's coming. It's raining. Hey, thank you for watching this video, man. Really appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button. Punch that like button. Oh goodness, man. It's coming down, dude. It's raining hard. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what's up. Later. Oh, jeez. It's getting bad.